Hi there and welcome to our garden with Tom. So there's still time to repair thin and bare patches in the lawn. The thin patches and bare patches can be sown into with quality grass seed from Boston Seeds, like I'm doing here with the mini handheld spreader, and then quilt it with some topsoil from field compost, and that will snuggle the seed in, ready to take the germination process. Over a couple of weeks we should see the grasslings appear. And then we will repair our lawn ready for late autumn and winter time, which is what we'll want, a lush lawn over those seasons as well. Now, if you'd like to do the same as me and repair thin and bare patches in your lawn, please see the promo codes below. Thanks very much.